Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to install extensions or add-ons in Opera GX browser in Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, then hover mouse over extensions and then click Get Extensions. Now you will find all the available extensions that you can install in your Opera GX browser. Just scroll down and find your extension or click on this one search for add-ons box in case you know the name of the extension, and then in the drop down menu select your extension you want to install. Then click on this one add to Opera button. This will download extension and automatically install on your Opera GX browser.